Hey there riders, Motojourno Chris here today, and I wanted to talk about my Fly Racing Evolution DST gear. I've been really impressed with this, and I thought I'd give you my initial thoughts. You know, I've had it for a fair few months now. I've gone for a number of longer rides, and I've been really happy. Starting with the jersey, nice loose cuffs, nice and loose around the neck, very comfortable. You know, it's not something I feel like I'm wearing. It doesn't feel restrictive at all. It's kind of a loose cut, but it's still, I guess you'd say, almost like a tailored / slim cut, which for me as a slim guy works really well. I've got my armor on, I've got some Fly Racing armor on underneath, plenty of room for that, no problems at all, and it's not restrictive. There's laser cut perforations in it which help the airflow. It has very good airflow, obviously because it's, you know, quite a light material. The graphics themselves look awesome, very nice and visible, which is what I'm after. And you've also got kind of a very heavy mesh or a very light mesh, I should say, in the back, which helps that airflow, because particularly when you're moving on a hot day, a 40-degree day like today, it makes such a difference if you've got good breathable gear. So the jersey, I really like it. It does have kind of one of those tails which is designed to be tucked in, and it's got some grip on it so that it won't come out, which is a nice feature if you like tucking it in. I'm not a huge tucker-inner of anything, so I normally leave it out, but you know, that helps keep it in the trousers. Speaking of the trousers, a really cool design. Obviously the Evolution DST gear is, you know, a more premium set of gear, and you really notice that on the trousers because basically there's a lot more features. You've got the cool leather reinforcement here on the inside of the legs. It helps you grip. It does help on some bikes reduce the amount of heat coming through to you, and it helps ensure if you're wearing knee guards like I am today that they don't damage the bike, which is important as well. There's plenty of room within those for the knee guards, very easy to get on. There's no restriction down at the cuff at the bottom at the ankle, which is really good as well because obviously that's important. Good breathability, again, there's some laser cut perforations there. It's got a floating seat and good kind of airflow through there. Particularly if you're standing up, you'll find that the airflow is enough that you're not getting, you know, a huge buildup of sweat in the areas you really don't want a huge buildup of sweat. Important. Reasonably good grip from the seat as well, but it's not like I'm sticking to the bike. So that's, again, nice and important, particularly if you're a new rider or a new off-road rider who's getting into this kind of for the first time and getting a bit more serious about it. I think this is the type of gear which just covers all the bases. And like I said, a little bit more premium, but you're getting extra features which are going to help with the comfort. And I think, you know, compared to road gear, which is quite expensive, I think this is a small investment to make in this kind of riding. What's really good with these, you've got a ratcheting strap at the waist, which is very easy to use. Then you've got a Velcro strap and a zip. So there's a heap of stuff there holding these pants up, as you can hear, ratcheting that up. And then on the back, you've got the BOA system somewhere there, which you can turn, and that will further kind of make sure the fit of these pants is just perfect for you. So really good features. I mean, I haven't used any of the cheaper stuff, like I said, this is just the stuff I've used, but having looked at the features and having looked at what you get in this, I do have to say I've really appreciated it, particularly all the waist adjustability, because I'm kind of on the thin side, so that helps a lot. And the overall fit is just perfect for me, particularly with the armor on underneath. So I'm really happy there. The other thing I've got, which you might have seen in some of my other videos, is the Fly Racing Evolution gloves. Really cool glove. I don't really wear them on the road most of the time. I save them for kind of getting into this kind of condition where there's a little bit less abrasion protection on these. They do have a reinforced palm, but I do like wearing my leather gloves when I'm riding on the road. They've got nice grip, thanks to the grip on the fingertips, which helps, you know, with your control and your feel. Very important when you're riding in this kind of condition. That control is super important, that feel is super important. And you got a little bit of protection on the back of the knuckles there as well. A very breathable glove, very comfortable to wear. I really like those as well, but as I said, I just use them in this kind of condition where I'm getting a bit off-road. And overall, just very happy with this gear. This is what I would be looking at if I was looking to buy as a first-time rider getting into this kind of thing, or if I was going back for a replacement set, I'd just buy the same thing. Very happy. So if you've got any specific questions about the Fly Racing Evolution DST gear, let me know in the comments down below. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and of course, stay safe out there on two wheels. Thanks for watching.